today I wanted to take you guys through this, guys. This is one of my favorite tools that I've ever had, and something that I made myself, kinda. Somebody else had made this bead roller, and it was just kind of a pile that I bought, and I just chopped it all apart and made all the side pieces for it, the back brace for it, redid all the gears, made the gear cover and everything for it, and then also put up a light switch for it, used up an old antique light fixture that I don't know how I ended up with that, but it's probably from the 1930s or something, and worked out just perfect. So I'll get my light over the subject right here. Works out awesome, pivots back out of the way. Also made this table, and most of you guys know we do a lot of recycling around here. Like, I hate throwing stuff away. I hate things in landfills. I hate things in the dumpster. I'd rather see it to good use. All of this stuff has been recycled. All this aluminum came off of some guarding that had been taken away and cut up. So we recycled it, and we made a table for this out of also recycled plexiglass that was also from guarding. And I made this table so the table breaks away, and right now I just have a couple vice grips to hold it, because it's just quick and easy. Eventually I'll put a couple clamps on the side here, and we won't need those vice grips anymore. But you can flip the table leaf out if you want to get it out of your way and have a nice table for moving your pieces around with. So now you can spin it and have all this room with this table out here and stuff as well. And you can also kind of cheat that way your bead roller, so you have a throat depth of 26 inches between here and the back of the throat, which means this is about as big of the piece as you can get in here. So right now that would hit on the back of that's hitting on the back of the throat. That's as big as you could get in there. But once you have the table on, you can reverse these dies right here, and you can do all your swinging out here and stuff, so you're not doing it inside of here where your throat is. So you can get some of your bead rolling done on bigger panels and stuff that you normally couldn't do once you have a table that kind of sticks out like that. So that works out really sweet, and it's something that I just made from scratch. And I got a DC motor on the back, and then a foot controller right here down below, and that's a variable speed foot pedal. So the variable speed comes in the pedal. And then I also have a little toggle switch that I made. This is a 4-pole double throw toggle switch that's mounted on here, and I just give that a little kick, and now the bead roller reverses. So it reverses the motor with that toggle switch that's down on the floor like that on the foot pedal. And now I kick the toggle the other way, and now we can just go the opposite way with the bead roller, just like that, by just touching the toggle switch on the floor on the pedal switch like that. And with that, also did a recycled desk drawer that's underneath here. This is an old recycled desk drawer bottom, and I keep all the dies and everything in there, so I try to keep all that stuff as compact as possible. How do I get this much stuff in this place? Is try to keep everything as contained to the tool itself. So with this tool, I want all my dies, I want everything centralized right here where the tool is. I don't want to fill up my toolbox with all that stuff. I want to try to keep everything, and like we showed you with the lathe, that's the same way. I want all my lathe tools over the lathe, so it's not taking up any more space. Same thing with the English wheel. I want to take and have all my dies and tools and anvils and everything on the tool itself, so I'm not taking up any more space. But this is our makeshift bead roller. We're running Jamie Jordan series trick tools. Sells these. They're also any Bailey or Mittler Brothers dies fit on this machine. So we got a bunch of those made up and done, and that's what I use mostly for doing the art type of stuff with the panels. These are my kind of go-to die set and everything that I would use right here. So that's the bead roller machine in a nutshell, and one of my favorite tools. Learning a lot of stuff that you can do with one of these machines, and I'm just kind of scratching the surface of the capacity of what I can do with it. So I want to learn about it a little bit more and get a lot better with it. Be doing some really badass panel work with it coming up soon. Probably be building some panels for the Falcon and the Cameo as well with the same machine setup and everything. So we're going to use this guy quite a bit, and we got a lot more of that stuff coming up. So hope you guys like the bead roller that I made. Give me a comment below. Is there anything I'm missing on it? What would you do differently if you built it yourself? Have you built one and had problems with it and figured out a way to overcome it? I'd like to hear about it, guys. Give me your comment below. Thanks a lot, guys. Subscribe, click the bell, ring for notifications. Tons of stuff coming up. Don't forget to like this video. Click like, throw me a comment, let me know what you think. Ring the bell for those notifications when we get a new video. We got lots more coming up, guys. A lot of cool stuff coming up. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride.